Hello, everyone. As we move into 2023, it's important to have the skills that will help you survive and thrive in an ever changing world. Here are 6 essential tips and skills for you that you should focus on developing. Number one, digital literacy and technology proficiency. With technology playing an increasing important role in your lives, it's important to have a strong understanding of digital tools and how to use them effectively. Number two, data analysis and management. Data is playing an increasingly important role in every industry, from finance to healthcare to marketing. Everywhere, data is the power. So you have to master the skill of data analysis and managing the data. Being able to collect and analyze and make decisions based on data will be valuable skills in 2023 and beyond. Number three, communication and collaboration. As remote work becomes the norm, it's more important than ever to be able to effectively communicate and collaborate with team members. This includes things like active listening, clear and concise writing, and ability to work well in virtual terms. Number four, problem solving and critical thinking. The ability to identify and solve problems in a valuable skill in any situations. Being able to think critically and creatively will help you find solutions and navigate challenges. Number five, adaptability and flexibility. The ability to adapt to new situations and technologies is more important than ever. Embrace changes and be open to learning new skills because the world is always evolving and you need to evolve with it. Number six, financial literacy and budgeting. Understanding how to manage your money is crucial to your long-term success and financial stability. Focus on creating a budget, saving for emergencies, and setting achievable financial goals. So there you have it. 6 skills that are essential for survival in 2023. Remember, learning is a lifelong process. So make most of this opportunity to develop new skills and improve your chances to success. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this helpful.